Hello, I'm Helgi Sigurdsson, Senior Product Manager at Semtech. In this video, I will show how to set up and control video walls using the BlueRiver AV Manager application. In BlueRiver AV Manager, video wall displays a single video source across multiple screens. Each display is connected to a BlueRiver endpoint that crops, scales, and outputs a section of the original source. To configure a wall layout with BlueRiver AV Manager, launch the application, then go to the wall editor inside the configuration tool and select Create New Wall. This opens a three-step editor. The first step is used to specify the video wall size by number of rows and columns. In this demonstration, a 2x2 wall is created by setting the number of rows and columns to 2. Then select Next to continue. The next step is used to enter the wall properties. First, give the wall layout a name. I'll give using up to 30 characters. The next parameters is the wall mode. There are two choices here, Fast Switch Wall and Genlock Wall. Fast Switch Wall allows seamless switching between video sources that are displayed with 1 to 2 frames of latency. However, the screens are not in sync with each other. Genlock Wall, on the other hand, guarantees sub-frame latency and ensures all screens are in sync with the source and therefore with each other. However, switching to a different video source will cause displays to go black while they sync to the new source. Next parameter is the aspect ratio mode. Here there are three choices. Keep aspect ratio will center the video source within the wall area without cropping or stretching the source video. This will, however, display horizontal or vertical black bars when the video source and the wall aspect ratios are different. Crop source, on the other hand, will center the video source and then crop it horizontally or vertically to fill the video wall. Finally, its stretch source will center the source within the wall and stretch or compress the video source horizontally or vertically to fill the video wall monitors. Next parameter is screen resolution. As the name implies, this is the resolution of each monitor used in the video wall. While HD or 1080p displays are still most common for wall applications, UHD displays with super narrow bezels are becoming more common. Finally, there are horizontal and vertical bezels to describe the spacing between screens and pixels. A simple way to approximate this distance with good enough accuracy is as follows. Take a ruler and measure the glass-to-glass spacing in millimeters. Then, look up the display model spec sheet and find the listed pixel pitch. Now divide the measured spacing with the pixel pitch. This gives the bezel size in pixels. So for example, if the spacing is measured as 5 millimeters and the pixel pitch is 0.75 millimeters, the bezel size in pixels is 5 over 0.75 or 6.67, or basically 7 pixels when rounded to the closest integer. After filling in all the wall properties, click on the Next button to continue. The last step is to assign BlueRiver devices to the video wall. For each display, select an available RX or TR device. Press, finally, the Save button to save the new wall layout. To load the new wall layout, click Load Wall. Select the wall to load from a list of available layouts and then press Confirm button. To use this new wall, launch the Operate tool, either directly from the navigation panel or press the Home button and open the tool from there. Within the Operate tool, select Video and Wall in the upper left corner and then use the matrix grid to route a video source to the wall. Switch then to another video source by simply selecting another source. A video wall is usually a permanent feature in an installation. However, if the need ever arises to unload or deactivate the wall, simply click on the wall card. A dialog box will open to confirm that the user wants to unload the wall. Click the Confirm button and the wall card will be deleted and replaced with individual cards representing the RX or TR units previously used by the wall layout. This concludes how to set up and use video walls in BlueRiver AV Manager. Visit semtech.com to learn more and download the software to easily configure your video wall today.